Hello everyone. Today we discuss about quality management system QMS part 2. The advantage of implementing a QMS quality management system is the ability to use lessons learned from one department or process to make improvements in similar processes across the organization. In addition, for organizations to remain competitive and thrive in today's world and market, they must seek ways to continually improve their processes and product or service quality also. And associates at all levels of the organization should be encouraged to look for opportunities for change and improvement every day. Even by implementing small continuous improvements in the processes and work standards, the organization will realize sizable increases in quality, safety, efficiency, and productivity also. This ultimately results in a positive impact on the bottom line. Some organizations view continuous improvement as an activity where others adopt it as a mindset. Now, QMS services, development and implementations of quality management system is not a small task. Proper implementations of the quality management system will require commitment, time, and resources. If done properly, the organization can get enormous benefits. At quality line 1, our team can provide a customized approach for development and implementations of a robust quality management system within the organization. We can provide quality management system consulting to assist in the development of QMS as well as QMS training to bring the team up to speed with the new processes and related tools also. We also provide QMS support where one or more our subject matter experts work directly with the team to build and implement our QMS effectively and efficiently. Now, a QMS is a set of policies, processes or procedures required for planning and executions, that is production, development, service in the core business area of an organization, that is area that can impact the organization's ability to meet customer requirements. What are the different quality management system? List of the different types of quality management system: document control, change control, enterprise and operational risk management, supplier management, equipment and asset management, CAPA management, CAPA, that is policy management, and internal audit. So, what are the 7 quality management principles? 7 quality management principles are: QMP 1, customer focus, meet and exceed customer expectations. Quality management principle number 2, leadership, provide purpose, direction, and engagement. Quality management principle 3, engagement of people. Quality management principle 4, process, approach. Quality management principle 5, improvement. Quality management principle 6, evidence based decision making. And quality management principle 7, relationship management. So, a QMS quality management system is a collection of business processes focused on continuously or consistently meeting customer requirements and enhancing their satisfactions. It is expressed as the organizational goals and aspirations, policies, and process, documented information and resources needed to implement and maintain it. Now, quality management principles are a set of fundamental beliefs, norms, rules, and values that are accepted as true and can be used as a basis for quality management. The QMPS quality management principles can be used as a foundations to guide an organizational performance and improvement. Now, what is the ISO definition of quality? A term quality has a related meaning or relative meaning. ISO definition: the totality of features and characteristics of a product or service that bear on its ability to satisfy stated or implied needs. Now, what are the four main implements of quality? Quality management ensures that an organization, product, or service is consistent. It has four main components, that is quality, planning, quality assurance, quality control, quality improvement, the five main elements of quality. Now, factors influencing construction's quality. 10 factors that affect construction's quality management. Creating a strategy to improve construction's quality management. Every contractor or constructions firm has the intention to offer the best quality services, but many obstacles can pop up along the way to interrupt these plans. A single mistake is all it takes to trigger a service or series of events that can lead to expensive net rework and more serious penalties if the structure's safety is compromised. Improving construction's quality management starts with an understanding of the factors that can impact both safety and quality. Quality in construction. Maintaining quality on construction projects for better outcomes. There is relationship between quality control and safety practices. Now, number one, damaged and low quality materials. Too much water or sand in a concrete mix. Lumber cut from undersized or undersized trees and improperly graded steel can all result in widespread construction's quality issues. Not only do these materials fail early, they also create construction's safety hazards by reacting unpredictably during the building process. Workers are often hurt when sparks are generated during cutting, when they are not expected, or as a structure collapsed due to a lack of weight bearing ability, and ordering only from trusted suppliers and assigning a quality control officer to check every shipment of materials is the only way to verify a project is properly supplied. Now, supplier and vendor failures. Even when the materials themselves are not to blame for a quality issue, problems with suppliers and vendors can raise cost and lower quality levels. Replacing the requested building supplies with other brands and materials that do not offer the same quality can result in unhappy clients and time-consuming network results or requests. Set clear expectations with all suppliers and perform random checks to verify they are still adhering to the contract. Finding new vendors may feel like a distraction in the middle of the construction project, but it can significantly improve construction quality management. Now, subcontract mishandling. Over half of the construction defects can be attributed to human error. If a subcontractor hires employees without the right skills and fails to train them, workmanship errors occur that can go unnoticed for years. And screening subcontractors and other laborers providers is essential to verify they are supplying skilled laborers that can catch their own mistakes. Now, construction firms and projects managers still need to follow up with independent audits of subcontractor performance to find any problems as early as possible. Now, failure to document changes and practices. Some quality issues are not directly related to a mistake or design change, but rather to the lack of documentations of the change. If a material is substituted for another with a completely different maintenance and replacement cycle, failure to update the final documents can result in improper handling from the maintenance team. Use a digital file management systems that simplifies the process of updating projects documentation so that there are no reasons to delay updates to drawings and other related files. Now, last minute changes when essential features are still being engineered or discussed at last stage in the construction process. These last minute changes often lead to serious quality issues. For example, a last minute change in the design of the tie rod supports for a suspended walkway led to a deadly collapse at the Kansas City Hyatt Regency in July 1981. Set deadlines by which designs cannot be altered anymore, or make arrangements to extend the deadlines and set aside plenty of time for verifying and testing any changes to the existing design. Now, scope creep. Construction projects often starts out much simpler and smaller than the finished project. So, how does a basic bridge or retail center turn into a multi-lane highway or a three-story mall? This kind of unplanned expansion is often referred to as scope creep. While it is natural for all projects to change with time, as new facts are discovered about cost, time, constraint to change with time, as new facts are discovered about cost, time, constraints, and site limitations, the problem comes when the expansion in scope leads to cutting corners to stretch a limited budget and time frame also. Now, managing the scope of a construction project ensures the constructors can maintain the same level of quality over the entirety of the work. Now, the miscommunications between teams. Project managers feels that communication issues are the number one cause of quality issues. Miscommunications leads to misapplications of new techniques, mismatched materials, and a lack of secondary and tertiary testing to discover existing problem also. So tools like Plan Grid are ideal for increasing communication between all of the various teams working together on a single construction project. Now, complexity of design. Unnecessary complexity is the enemy of high quality work. While some level of complexity is unavoidable in cutting edge infrastructure and commercial construction projects, designers should minimize complex techniques and unusual features whenever possible. Simplified designs are also more affordable, offering the construction firm a better profit margin even while they are producing the highest quality of work. Now, lack of project management systems. A project management system determines the ideal intervals for testing the work completed. Completed so as far for errors and omissions. Without a management system or plan for quality control and assurance, most construction firms wait for too long to perform essential checks on their work. And implementing a project's management system based around mobile apps is a flexible and fast way to bring current projects under control. Now, ignored audits and testing. Some constructions companies stick strictly on their third-party testing and auditing plans, yet ignore the results of the test and continue on with flawed designs or existing quality issues. So this is often due to a lack of proper designations for quality control, causing reports to bounce from project managers to lead engineers without a clear workflow for addressing the materials. Determine who is responsible for reading the audit and test reports and making recommendations for rework or repair to the constructors so that important information on quality issues is not overlooked. Now, responsibilities and authority. Defining and communicating responsibility and authority for everyone affecting the quality management system, including a designated management representative who has the authority to ensure the system is established and maintained and is responsible to report the system performance to top management. So that's the end of the video, my friends. If you like my videos or blogs, please subscribe my channel. I need your support, my friends, and also please like, comment, share my channel. And in the next episode I will discuss about what are the roles and responsibilities of quality management personnel in the third episode, the part 3. Thanks a lot for watching my videos. Good day.